Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the class socket.error, Errno 2 no such file or directory error occurs when there is an issue related to sockets or network operations. This error typically arises when trying to open a socket or connect to a network resource, and the specified file or directory does not exist. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the possible causes of this error and how to handle it, along with a code example to illustrate the issue and its resolution. This error can have several causes. Incorrect file or directory path. This error often occurs when you provide an incorrect file or directory path. The file or directory you're trying to access might not exist or is located at a different location than the one specified. Permissions issues. You might not have the necessary permissions to access the file or directory you're trying to open. Network-related issues. If you're trying to connect to a network resource, there might be a network problem or the resource you're trying to access is not available. Platform dependency. The error message and behavior might vary between different operating systems. To handle the class socket.error, Errno 2 no such file or directory error, you can follow these steps. Check the file or directory path. First, verify that the file or directory you are trying to access exists and is at the correct location. Ensure that you have provided the correct path. Check permissions. Make sure that you have the necessary permissions to access the file or directory. If not, you may need to change the permissions or run your Python script as a user with the appropriate permissions. Network-related checks. If you are trying to connect to a network resource, ensure that the resource is available and accessible. Check your network connection and any relevant network configurations. Platform-specific handling. Be aware that the error message may differ between different operating systems. Your code should account for platform-specific differences if necessary. Let's look at a code example that triggers the class socket.error, Errno 2 no such file or directory error, and then shows how to handle it. In this code example, we intentionally try to open a socket to a non-existent host, which triggers the class socket.error, Errno 2 no such file or directory error. We then use a try except block to catch the error and check its Errno attribute. If the error code is 2, we print file or directory does not exist. Otherwise, we print the specific socket error. This code demonstrates how to catch and handle the error while providing helpful information about the issue. You can adapt this approach to your specific use case to handle the error more gracefully in your Python scripts. ChatGPT